Weyo, what's good guys? It's your boy Bafana Luntiko. Umfana wazale anyanga umama kumthakathi umngane wakhe yaloya. You are about to Tanko. Hey yo, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you have seen the thumbnail, you have seen the title. So it's a bomb. This one, you gotta watch it. This one is a bomb. So guys, I was sitting alone and there's my sisters there at home, you know. So I just thought of a prank, and it's been a long time. I wanna do this, so I just thought of this prank. I'm going to prank them. It's a smoking prank. So let's not waste time. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop. Without any further ado, let's watch the intro. Hey yo, what up guys? It's your boy. I beg guys. So now I'm going to the shop. I'm going to buy the material. I'm going to only buy cigarette. So I'm going to smoke. It's a smoking prank, so I'm going to buy a cigarette. I don't smoke and I don't do anything, so they trust me. They know I don't smoke, so I'm going to shock them. Let's go, let's get it. I beg guys. So I'm at the shop, I'm buying cigarette, you know what I'm saying? Ayo, I wanna prank my parents. I'm going to prank them. I don't smoke, né? But I'll act like I'm smoking. Do you think they're going to beat me, or they're going to get angry or mad? I'm going to prank them. I will act like I'm smoking and I'm not smoking. They know I don't smoke, but I will act like I'm smoking today.
For who you show you like that?
For the video, you see I'm shooting.
For who?
For who?
For who you gonna send?
Yeah, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, you are like smoke. You're not smoking.
Yeah.
So you gonna send for who? Like you going like that?
I'm going to send to who? I'm going to post it on YouTube, bro. It's a prank. Do you think they are going to get upset? But we'll see, right?
But you smoke ganja?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't smoke ganja.
You buy more flavor more. What?
I could. I beg guys, now I have the cigarette. I'm going back home. I don't know how they are going to react, eh? I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't know their reaction, but let's go, let's get it. And I'm doing this for you. You better subscribe, you better like, you better laugh, you better comment. I'm taking this risk for you guys. So stay tuned. I beg guys, so now they're outside, they're busy talking outside. I don't know if you can hear me properly. Guys, I don't know, they are outside. I don't know if you can hear me properly, but they're outside, so I must start the prank. I wanna set the camera. I wanna hide the camera, so yeah, stay tuned. As for the pages. I ask for the pages, though. I beg guys, so now I have the pages. I have my cigarette, so I must smoke. Let me show you another angle of the camera. Another angle. I have two angles. This is another angle. This is another angle. This is another angle. Yeah, so I must stay there and wait for it.
Manje bafuna silahle nezimali ngoba sifihle nezimali uzotshontsha amaranta amagwayi. Uyicalelani le nto bafana yobani?
Mama ngiyibhema. Mama ngingakaze ngatshontsha le.
Asazi phela udala uyibhema.
Ayi sengibambile.
Manje sewufuna ukubhema permanent manje khathele ukufihla.
Akayibhema sicela uyayibhema ngoba sinisayela idili uloku uyayibheka iyachiya phela.
Ayisho sengibambile.
Azi lo
Or ubheme insalo nje before. Uke wathi izolo ufuna ukuyizwa naye avele ithi.
Oh yeah, right ngiyambona ubhema insangu.
Angibhemi insangu.
Zimshayile.
Ngibhemi igwayi kuphela.
Ubhema njani uyalithatha njengolimi?
Awayeba ngibhemele endlini. Mina bangibhemele endlini ngokubalaba.
Uyangipha.
Uyeza ensangweni uzobhema insangu.
Uyangipha. Hayi ngiyasibamba ngiyadlala mina. Hayi mina nani? Angiprankeki. I-prank ngibo ngisendela amakhemera. Hayi i-prank. Ayaniprankeki nina la endlini. I-prank le nto niboni nina khani. Mina ngingibheme mina. Ubusisi. Moso stress. I-prank. Yeah? Ubone ngani? Angiprankeki yazi. Umuntu obhema menyeke ngihlalela endlini ngabhema. Esofeni. Menyeke. Angiprankeki yazi. Angikwati inyanga ningishaya inyanga. Kuthi video ibe mnandi. Nina angithipanga. Nina.
Bangena la endlini, bese ukuyila.
Ay.
Ngambheka. Bengisho ukuthi maye emlombeni ngizomhlaba. Manje akayibhema, ngiyafika ngiyabuza ukuthi nathi ngiyabhema.
Ngiyibhema njani?
Yeah. Mangena so ngishiya ngaphandle ngimbhekile. So ayiye emlomeni. Solo ngila. Ngathi wenzana ngiyabhema. Ngathi ngamshiya edining room. Ngibona khona ukuthi uyasipranka lo. Uphumile ulanda ifoni.
Eish. Aningishayi. Hayi prank.
Future yakhe amalangisi wakhe.
I-prank kanye ngibheme mina. Mengingabhema bese ngabuya esofeni ngahlala esofeni. Awu ayikhonakali.
Prank gone wrong. We post
Gone wrong. Mara ngathi aninandaba nami.
Hayi lo muntu omdala nepasi yazikhethela. Yo.
We post ubale prank gone wrong. At least uncane uyenze yaba another thing because upuzile ukuthi manje uzositshotshela imali. Mara uzoleka ufuna ukunceda.
Usezoleka atasambi sobhema ngapha. Atasambi soyibhema ngaphandle. Awusezoleka. Mayangazi mos. Ningimoshela ividiyo manje. Ayisimnandi nokuba mnandi phela le video manje. Yeah? Mayifuna umantombi leyo mantombi ngokuhlanya.
Mantombi ngokuhlanya ayithina sesikhasi.
Yeah, ningamtsheli. Ngiyompranka na ningamtsheli. Ash. Yeah, I beg guys. So that was the end of the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. They didn't catch them smoke. They didn't catch the smoke, bro. They didn't catch the smoke, but I'ma try my twin. So I'ma do the second one, and I'm going to prank my twin. So stay tuned. This was the end of the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of the